Hello. In this video, we will discuss the concepts of race and ethnicity and discuss how the media influences our understanding of race and ethnicity. Before we can talk about race and ethnicity in the media, we must first discuss the concepts of race and ethnicity. Race is not an easy word to define. People use the word race to refer to a group of people that have something in common. Some people define race as a group of people who have similar physical features such as skin color or hair color. Other people say that race is based not just on physical features, but also culture. Culture is the beliefs, customs, arts, language, and other aspects of a particular group of people. People often define ethnicity as a group of people who share similar physical features and culture. However, some people define ethnicity only in terms of culture. We will talk more about culture in the next video. There are differences in the definition and understanding of race and ethnicity because they are both ideas that were created by society in order to group people together. The ideas and definitions of race and ethnicity have changed over time and will continue to change. Now let's discuss how the media influences our understanding of race and ethnicity. To influence means to affect or impact. As we mentioned before, if people constantly see messages about a group of people, they may start to believe them even if the messages are not true or are stereotypes. Remember, to stereotype means to unfairly group all people with a particular characteristic together. To stereotype means to think or believe that all people from the same group are the same in some way. Stereotypes are unfair and can cause conflict or bad feelings between people of different races and ethnicities. In the article you read titled "Minorities See Improvement, Demand More Diversity on U.S. Television," the author explains how a group might be stereotyped. The article discussed how Latinos are shown in the media. The president of the National Hispanic Media Coalition explained that Latinos are not shown as much as they should be on television. And when they are shown, they are never shown as judges, doctors, or other professionals. This article is an example of why we must be sure to think critically about the messages we are receiving about race from the media. We must ask ourselves, are different groups included in the media messages we see? Are those messages fairly and accurately describing and showing people from different groups? In addition, we want to think back to one of the questions we should ask ourselves of all media messages. Who created the message? Are members of different racial and ethnic groups creating the messages about the people in their group? Are they telling their own stories? If they are not, this could be a reason why these groups are not fairly or accurately shown. Let's summarize. Race and ethnicity are not easy words to define. Both words are used to group or separate people. The media messages that we receive about race and ethnicity influence how we think about race and ethnicity in our everyday lives. To be media literate, we should ask ourselves if different groups are included and are accurately shown in the media.